Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday. It's about to storm. It's the 1st of June. We're servicing this Dodge Ram 1500 for a pretty strong tobacco and a cover-up that's been used in here. I'm trying to rush for the rain. We're going to go ahead and take these heavy rubber mats out of here and tell him that he's going to have to replace these. But we'll go ahead and service the headliner, the seats, the carpeting, the mats. And then we'll use our second step process to service the AC to make sure it smells fresh and clean. Actually, yeah, whoa, it's level 4. Level 3.5 to a level 4 in strength. So we'll take care of all the hard plastics, the rubber seals. I'm rushing because I don't want to get wet. You can see the storm right there. But he was very insistent that we go ahead and service this today. So that's what we're doing. All right, we'll take care of it. Everybody, thanks for viewing. Have a good day. Happy Sunday.